Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Today is the last day of February, February 28th. I always do this. I always give you guys a heads up on coupons to print because some of these disappear, some of them reset. So why not, if they do reset, why not get a double chance of printing them off? Now, I think, in my opinion, February on coupons.com was the worst month ever. That I've ever seen coupons to print. There's been some good ones, but then there's ones that are like, why? And then there's some on here that have been on here forever. So what I always recommend you guys doing is going to the app or going to the website and printing off what you guys think you guys will need, or anything. I've been on this site so many times that, sorry, it's like going down two different things, but I don't see anything really to print. Nothing's new. I mean, they have the creamy, no, it's already down, it's already printed. The Revlon is still there, which is a good coupon, but otherwise nothing. I mean, they have more of these ad thingies than anything else, which I understand, but I mean, the Pepsi is still there if you guys haven't printed the Pepsi. The Revlon, two of the Revlon ones are still there. Scrubbing Bubbles, the Dial, but the one that says redeemable at Walmart that you can use at another store. But that's pretty much it. So I'm hoping tomorrow is going to be a better day for printing new coupons. So you guys will have to definitely check that out. But just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.